And welcome back, Diecast OutKast here, episode 50. Today we're doing a Redline Turbofire by Hot Wheels. I believe this car came out in 1969. So we're going to get as close as we can to a restoration on this. We'll do what we need to do to the body, polish it up, and paint it with a Spectre Flame style red. And I say Spectre Flame style, that's because I make my own. And you'll see how I do that later on in this video. I actually have quite a few of these castings. They're fairly common. I like them. I think they're alright. But one thing that I noticed on this one is that the back, I guess you would call it the hood, is a little bit different color than the rest of the body. So we'll have to see what we can do to take care of that. But when I pulled it apart, the interior and the glass looked absolutely amazing. So I don't know how hard this car was played with, but it was in good shape. Here you can see the difference in the color of the body and the hood. And we'll take the base and clean it up. It's not too scuffed up real bad. We'll just polish it a little bit. Put some new wheels on it. First things first, we're going to go ahead and strip this down. We're going to throw it into our Hodges ball salsa. Make sure you follow me for more recipes. While that's bubbling the paint off, we will take the base and put it in the lime away solution. And what this does is it takes the corrosion apart from the base, the metal. You can see it bubbling up. That means it's working. Yeah, I'm not going to get real scientific with you. So we'll pull the body out and see how well the salsa worked. Oh, it works really well on these 50-something-year-old paint jobs. It's nasty, but so satisfying to watch. So all I did was wash this, and you can see how good a shape the body was in. There is virtually no toning on it other than what's going on with the hood on the back. If anybody knows what that's called, please let me know in the comments. I'm pretty curious, and I don't know a ton about Redlines. So I just got a Scotch-Brite pad and a Brillo pad and wiped it down. It turned out really nice. Everything seemed to level out. Get the body ready. I'm going to polish it with some Mother's polish. I really like this stuff. I've been using it for years on all the vehicles I've had. Got a cotton ball on my rotary tool here. Now let's wipe her down and see how she turned out. Extremely smooth and shiny. I'm really happy with this. And it looks like the hood matches the rest of the body now. Something I'm going to try, I'm going to paint the back taillight with a gold Sharpie before we paint it. With the red candy over the top of that, it should make it stand out more. So what I did was mix some 2K urethane clear, and then I'm going to put in some red India ink that tints the clear and gives it the candy or Spectraflame, transparent, whatever you want to call it, paint that we'll spray on here to give it that Spectraflame look. And here's about 4 coats of it. It turned out real nice. The Spectraflame style look is there. You just can't tell in this lighting. It looks opaque, but it's really not. So I ordered me a whole bunch of wheels from Bright Vision so I can take care of all these other Redlines that I've got laying around. Going to pop the old ones off and put the new ones on using the wheel tool that you can buy at Bright Visions. As you can see, I'm rolling and playing with this, and I get some attention from somebody. What the hell are you doing? So there's all the pieces, and this is what we started with. Hot Wheels Redline Turbofire. Make sure you wait until the very end and you can see a Redline challenge that I have coming up and all the people that's participating. If you want to join, the information is there. And here's the finished results with our homemade Spectraflame paint. I liked it. It turned out absolutely beautiful. I think it's got more of a rose color than it does a red. I'll have to play with the inks more with that to make sure I get the exact same color, but I'm real happy with how this came out. Everything matches and nice and smooth. There's no toning. It's gorgeous. Let me know what you think in the comments. I've got a couple more of these. What colors would you like to see me do? And here's a couple more glamour shots. And she's back.